Knob and tube wiring was a common electrical system used from the late 1800s to the mid-1900s. It consists of uninsulated copper wires that are supported by ceramic knobs and tubes. Three-way switches are used to control a light fixture from two different locations. In a knob and tube system, three-way switches have three terminals. Two of these terminals, labeled turn and T2, connect to the power source and the light fixture, respectively. The third terminal, labeled C, connects to the common wire that runs between the two switch locations. When both switches are in the off position, the circuit is broken and no current flows to the light fixture. When one of the switches is turned on, it closes a circuit between the power source and the common wire, energizing the common wire. The other switch then functions as a toggle switch, completing the circuit between the common wire and the light fixture when it is turned on. When it is turned off, it breaks the circuit, causing the light fixture to turn off. If a switch is not wired correctly when one switch is turned off, it should still allow the other switch to operate the light fixture. Here are some troubleshooting steps. Firstly, check the wiring. Make sure that the common wire is connected to the C terminal on both switches. Also, ensure that the wires connecting to tone and T2 are securely fastened. Secondly, replace the switch. If the wiring is correct, the switch itself may be faulty. Try replacing the switch with a new one. Thirdly, test the circuit. Once you have checked the wiring and replaced the switch, test the circuit to verify that both switches can control the light fixture independently. Always remember that working with electrical wiring can be dangerous. If you are not experienced with electrical work, it is highly recommended that you consult with a licensed electrician.